Hey guys, what's going on? Eugene is here from eMarketingMastermind, and what I want to do in this video, I want to talk about ClickBank a little bit. So you maybe, if you knew affiliate is going to be very helpful to you. Because we're probably going to be looking for different affiliate marketing programs that, or like I would say affiliate marketing databases that would have programs that would allow you to choose programs that you want to promote and make money using that and make money promoting it. Okay, so let me get out of this way right now, and I just want to talk with you about ClickBank. So what is ClickBank? ClickBank is basically an affiliate. It's like a marketplace. It gives you it gives you access to different affiliate programs that you can choose from to promote and make money off that. So it's kind of like it's like a marketplace where businesses and different entrepreneurs and marketers there upload their affiliate, I would say affiliate products, affiliate offers, and people like me, like affiliate marketers like you, they pick these programs up and they decide which program to promote. And in this video, I just want to talk to you a little bit about how to generate links, your promotional links, and how to choose the right or good product. Because in the ClickBank doesn't have a lot of good products, but it has some products that you can promote and you can make money off, right? So basically, if you don't still have account with ClickBank, you can go to this page, ClickBank page, and create account using the login. Using like you create account, right? Go here and click on create account, and you would have to put your information here. And when you create account, you're going to be brought to, I mean, you can of course log in, right? And when you log in to the system, you will be brought to that screen, right? Then you have to find marketplace menu item, right? Marketplace. So you click on that marketplace and it would bring you to the marketplace. So this is in the red section, there's some categories that you can search from and choose the business, choose the product to promote. Okay, so basically basically that's where those products are. So I know ClickBanks, it's a good, I mean, the good source traffic for ClickBank is solo ads, you know, and in the audience of solo ads, usually people that want to make money online or just want a quick fix or something, you know, it's something like that. So and basically that's where most of the ClickBank's products are advertised. That's how the most of the products are advertised, of the products of the ClickBank, you know. So when you go on ClickBank and you go to this page, right, and you can choose from product that you want to advertise. But what I would suggest you to do is basically you just, okay, so let me just first tell you that all these products that what you have here, they're all separated by niche, you know. They're separated by niche. So it's basically really helpful for you if you're looking for specific product. Just click on the niche, for example, and you can see what section you can advertise. Or you can advertise what the section you can choose products from to advertise. Okay, so basically a good thing about it that, let's say for example, if you want to click on that, you can click on this small icon and it would give you the different products that you can advertise, you know. And so that's what you can see these products right here. You see Cinderella solution, Leptitax, I mean different kind of products, right? And what happens is basically what happens is it will recognize items by popularity in the beginning. So you see the most popular is Cinderella solution right now, right? But What you have to do is use another item from that drop down list, which is gravity. When you populate, when you search by gravity, it gives you the result from high to low or from low to high, right? So what it means is that you actually can search by gravity, right? And when you search by gravity, the higher the gravity, the more the product is selling in the last couple of weeks. And let's say, and that's what ClickBank will give you right now, will give you the results for. So it says that the Cinderella solution right now is the most sellable item for the past 2 weeks, for example, right? And if you click on that right now, it will give you the it will give you the sales page for this product. So let's say you click right now here, and this is going to be sales page. That's the page where you're going to lead your customers to, okay, through the advertisements. So what you need to do, basically, what you can do, you can promote this item. So for example, you click on promote, right? And this will give you a pop-up where you can set your traffic ID, for example, right? So let's say you want to advertise on a Facebook, and so you select Facebook, right? And you can click generate hub links. What it does, so it will give you your personal affiliate link with the ID, with everything. So when somebody is going to use this ID, this link, the system is going to have a good back office. It's going to track. It's going to track your customer. It's going to track that this customer came from you, right? And it's going to pay you commissions if someone will buy it. That's what you do. This is basically the quickest and easy way to grab your link. So basically basically that's what it is. So you have your tracking code, so you know exactly from where the customer came from, right? And that's what I wanted to talk to you, to tell you right now. So let's say if you're going to copy this link, right, and we're going to open this link in another browser, this link is going to be, see, this is my ID, so this link is going to be tracked by the system. If somebody is going to go and buy something here, they're going to track it, and they're going to know that, hey, the Eugene or whatever, this ID was used to for someone to purchase that product. So that's about it. So basically, also there are some companies that also give you some information about their swipe emails, right? So what is swipe email? It's like an email sequence that you can set up in your email autoresponder after the customer opt-in from your landing page, right? And they're going to start receiving emails from you related to that offer, or any emails that you want to send them. So basically, what else you can do? You can actually go and to choose which product to promote. So what I'm saying is, like, you see, there is a field called date edit to marketplace, right? So I just want to give you a little advice. When you just starting out, do not promote products that are very competitive. And to make sure that you're not doing it, you have to go and to this section, date edit to marketplace, and change it for the last month or so, and you can try to promote those products. So let's say if you want to try for the last month, for example, right now is what, November, right? So you can go and search for October. So, and this is the product that you can actually try to promote. of course, if you decide to do it, because you might not like the average sale price for that product, right? So I mean, it has some variety of product, but also it may not be good to promote because you may not looking for this particular amount of average sale, right? So maybe you want to create more money, right? Maybe you want to try to promote something that's competitive, that you think that going to make you a lot of money. So you can do that. But basically, uh, you can also, I'm not using ClickBank myself, right? I used it long time ago. I'm not doing it now. So I just recently created an account just for you, so you know exactly, so I can explain you what to do. So let's say there is also like a reporting section here, right? You can go to reporting section, and this reporting section would tell you exactly, uh, would tell you, um, what how much commissions you made over the time. So it will track from where the company, from where the customer came from. I mean, it's a lot of things here that you can that you can look at, right? So basically, that's about it. So, and also, again, ClickBank has its own knowledge base. You can go and learn about ClickBank Master, a lot of things here that will tell you exactly, uh, like for the affiliates, it will tell you what to do and everything. So you can kind of see for yourself. So basically, that's about it. So that's what I want to show you. And also, if let's look another, let's look at this link. So basically, affiliate page. What this affiliate page tells you that what links you can use to promote the product, right? It gives you hop links, it gives you Facebook pages, friendly pages. It gives you banners that you can promote on your blogs, on your websites. Basically, I mean, different products they will offer, different companies they will offer you different pages, of course, here. And also, it also tells you, for example, see, it gives you email swipes that you can use. Like if you click on this one, it will show you what email you're going to use to send to your customers. So I mean, there are a lot of things that you can actually go, and I'm not going to go into the details of how to build funnel page and how to promote that product, or how to build like sales page or whatever, right? I just want to tell you like basics of ClickBank, its capabilities, and that's about it. So I hope that video helped you. I hope that it gave you a little bit of a value. So if it did, uh, like my page, like this video, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any updates. And because what I'm talking about here is how to make money with affiliate marketing, and I'm sharing with you different strategies and tools and training that I have taken, and I'm sharing all with you in the description under that video, so you guys free to browse. Okay, so again, if you like that video, if you like that video, if it gave you some value, just subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any updates, and I'll see you on another side, guys. I'll see you at the top. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.